Hey everyone, I want to show you this small blender add-on I made through ChatGPT. If you are like me and not very efficient at more advanced rig setups, nor know how to set up a Blender Rigify rig on the several different armatures you may have made or downloaded which aren't natively compatible with it without heavily editing them, this might come in handy for you. The first option is for creating an IK bone, generally intended for the arms and legs. You have the option to choose the chain length as well as whether to have a copy rotation modifier applied on or not. I would recommend keeping it on for legs and arms as it will make it easier to control the IK bone. Once you've applied it to the hand and feet, select the forearm and knee bones. You will need to play around to see which two axes you need to keep locked. In my case it's the X and Z axis. Afterwards you will need to rotate the forearm and knee joints slightly. This will allow it to bend properly when you move the IK bone. You can also rotate the shoulder. If you notice some jank, one usual fix can be to press Ctrl+A and apply visual transform, then rotate again. If you want to rotate just the hand, what I tend to do is select the IK bone then the hand bone, then change the pivot point to active element. This should ensure mostly only the hand bone gets rotated. The next option to showcase is generally meant for finger rotations. If you want a quicker way to rotate the finger joints, select the last two finger joints, except for on the thumb where you only select the very last joint. As with before, you'll need to play around to see which axis is the one you'll need for yours, but once you've picked the right one you will see rotating it makes it all rotate simultaneously, speeding up the process of posing fingers. Lastly, if you want to be able to just rotate the hips, here's a method I recently tried and included in the add-on. Select the waist bone, then press the copy rotation control bone option. This will duplicate the waist bone and make it so it ignores the rotation of the hip bone. If you wish to revert it back to normal, you can use the constraint snap add-on to do so, which I will link in the description. You can use this too to switch between FK and IK as well as toggling on and off other constraints. I am aware these are not the most efficient nor professional methods, but these are the methods that have worked for me most conveniently. I hope you find some use for this add-on, and if you wish to add to it feel free to comment anything you may have. Thank you for watching.